Are you ready to supercharge your WooCommerce store and skyrocket your sales? Introducing the ultimate sales boosting plugin, packed with powerful features to drive conversions and create urgency. Live sales pop-ups show real-time order notifications to build trust and create a fear of missing out. Countdown timer on product images create urgency with a visual countdown directly over your product photos. Product badges with discount labels grab attention instantly by showing percentage discounts right on your product images. Notification bar with countdown timer keep your visitors informed about ongoing deals with a sleek, attention-grabbing countdown bar. Visit the product page to explore more features. Embedded countdown timer display a live ticking timer outside the product image to build even more urgency. Stock countdown show remaining stock to trigger scarcity and encourage faster purchases. Trust badges and payment icons increase buyer confidence with secure checkout symbols and payment method icons displayed right below the Add to Cart button. Social media icons encourage engagement and grow your audience with social icons below the product area. With all these powerful tools in one plugin, you'll not only boost your sales, you'll build trust, urgency, and a better shopping experience for your customers. These badges help customers quickly identify important product information, driving engagement and increasing conversion rates. Easily customizable and seamlessly integrated into your product catalog, badges enhance the visual appeal and usability of your store. Showcase your deals more effectively with product badges that display the exact percentage discount on each item. These eye-catching badges automatically calculate and display how much customers save, helping drive attention to your best offers. The countdown timer is a high-converting urgency tool designed to boost engagement and accelerate purchases. By displaying a ticking clock for limited-time deals, product launches, or flash sales, you create a sense of urgency that encourages customers to act quickly. Modern badges bring a fresh, contemporary look to your product listings. Designed with clean lines, bold typography, and stylish icons, these badges elevate the visual appeal of your store while highlighting important product attributes like new arrival, trending, or limited time. Enhance your product visuals with image labels, graphic overlays that instantly communicate key messages like new, bestseller, or sold out. Choose from a built-in library of professionally designed labels or upload your own custom images to match your branding. Perfect for grabbing attention, reinforcing product highlights, and improving customer experience. The notification bar is a powerful on-site messaging tool designed to capture attention and drive action. Whether you're announcing promotions, encouraging urgency, or highlighting free shipping, this flexible feature allows you to display important updates across your website. With multiple bar types and customizable options, it's an essential tool for boosting engagement, conversions, and user experience. Boost engagement and conversions with sale and discount pop-ups, attention-grabbing overlays that notify visitors of ongoing deals, special discounts, or time-sensitive offers. Whether you're promoting a flash sale, offering a welcome discount, or encouraging cart completion, these pop-ups help capture user attention at the right moment, driving urgency and increasing sales. Drive urgency and increase conversions by embedding a countdown timer directly on your product pages. Perfect for flash sales, limited-time offers, or special promotions. This timer creates a sense of urgency that encourages shoppers to complete their purchase before time runs out. Fully customizable and easy to integrate, it blends seamlessly with your product layout for a clean, persuasive user experience. Create urgency and boost sales by showing a live stock countdown directly on your product pages. This feature displays the remaining quantity of a product, signaling limited availability and encouraging quicker purchase decisions. Whether it's real stock data or simulated urgency, the countdown blends seamlessly with your page design and motivates users to act fast. Reinforce trust and boost credibility by displaying recognized payment icons and social media icons directly on your product pages. These icons reassure customers of secure checkout options and encourage social engagement with your brand. Easily embedded and fully customizable, they enhance the shopping experience and support both conversion and brand visibility. Build confidence and reduce purchase hesitation by displaying trust badges and banners directly on your product pages. These visual indicators reassure customers about secure payments, quality guarantees, fast shipping, and return policies. Easily embedded and fully customizable, trust elements play a vital role in boosting conversions and enhancing your store's credibility. How to download and install the free and pro versions of the plugin. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins to open the Plugins Management section. Before proceeding, make sure that WooCommerce is installed and activated on your site. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so first. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana plugins or badge and product label for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and Activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to Product Badges. If you wish to unlock additional features, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Navigate to the Pro version tab. Follow the provided link to make the purchase and download the Pro version of the plugin. For your convenience, the link to download and use the plugin has been added in the description below. After downloading the Pro version, return to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New again, but this time, select Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File and select the Pro version plugin file you just downloaded. Then, click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the Pro version. You have now successfully installed and activated the Pro version of the Badge and Product Label for WooCommerce plugin. You're now ready to explore enhanced features, including advanced product badge customization, notification bars, sale pop-ups, countdown timers, and countdown stock displays. Enjoy creating a more engaging shopping experience.